I'm Tom from CIS External Building Cleaning. So here just to tell you how much it costs to clean your roof. Obviously the most important factor in that is how big is your roof. So when you give us a call, we'll pop out and make sure we measure up. But is your roof a small bungalow roof? Are you a semi-detached house, for example, or a detached house with 4 or 5 bedrooms? Or are you something bigger, maybe a mansion? Obviously the size of the roof is a very important part of how much the price costs. So once we've worked out the size of your property, the next important thing we need to have a look at is the level of infestation on your property. And when we talk about infestation, we're talking about mould, mildew. Have you got moss on your roof? Have you got lichens on the roof, which are the yellow spores on top of the tiles, which can be hard to remove? But once we've looked at the level of infestation, which we can grade from 1 to 3, with 3 being the worst, that will obviously give us an indication of how long the job's then going to take. Once we've done that, we then need to consider the access around the property. Now obviously with roof cleaning, we don't stand on your roof in any way. We don't put a ladder up and climb on the roof like some companies will do. We need to be able to come in and treat your roof. Now if you're obviously a bungalow, we can treat you generally from the floor with the soft washing systems. Other houses, it'll be a case of us bringing one of our company cherry pickers. Can we access down the side of the drive to reach over your front of your property and the rear from the basket? Do we need to put a scaffold up at the back to access an area which is hard to get to? So once we've then worked out the access to the property, that will then help us calculate the price. So once we've gone through those several aspects to the pricing, we then need to consider we're sending qualified technicians to you that are fully trained on a regular ongoing basis. The specialist equipment you're using, which will be obviously our cherry pickers. We'll also be using a soft wash system, which we need to use to make sure your roof is completely cleaned and treated. And obviously the insurance that we require to make sure that we provide you with the very best service. So once we've done all that, once the price has been agreed, we will offer you a 5-year warranty as well, which is all part of the pricing structure as well. So the ultimate question is, how much does it cost? Once we've considered all the aspects we've mentioned, you may be in a bungalow, which is a smaller property for us to clean, so typically pricing there you'd be looking at £1,100 up to maybe £1,500 plus VAT. So for a semi-detached house, whether you're 3 or 4 bedrooms, prices will vary from between £1,300 to £1,800. So a detached property, 4 or 5 bedroom detached property where we've got to get round the whole of the property, you'll be looking at a starting price of around £1,600, ranging up to, you can go up as high as sort of £3,000 plus VAT.
For further information, give us a call on 0117 9822 022 or send the office an email office@cis1976.com or visit either of our websites cis1976.com or cisroofandexteriorcleaning.com. On both of those sites you will find our knowledge hubs, where you'll find frequently asked questions and any videos that you may want to look at for the services we're about to offer you. Thanks.